Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is now Wednesday in my daily plan with me, and it's super early in the morning, so I'm actually using a light above my camera. So if there's a lot of shadowing, that is why. I've also got a couple of candles to the side. One is in frame, as you can see, but there's also one off the image itself, just to give a little bit more lighting, because it's really early. And I think the next couple of videos, today, Thursday and Friday, will also be like this, because I will be doing it super early, as I won't be working from home those next couple of days. I will be out of the office and I will be gone by this time, so it's super early. So first things first, as I said, today is Wednesday. It's actually the 10th of October, and I will be using this kit here. This is the leftovers that I have from the week in my B6, and this is from Sabine and Elise Designs, and this kit is called Coven, and I'll just show you what I have remaining. As you see, it's still pretty healthy, especially certain pages. I still got a few full boxes, and that's what that looks like. Okay. So this is what yesterday's looked like. I had a meeting, a phone conference that got canceled. My couch came in nice and early, and I'm very excited about that. And that's about it. I got through most of the things I needed to do, and I left my inserts undone because I was exhausted and I was ready just to hit the hay once Great British Bake Off was over. But I was working whilst watching Great British Bake Off. But that's my last one. So let me pop in here, grab some extra today's. And I'll put that there so I have it on hand. So let's see. It'll be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, so I'll need to replenish come Sunday. Okay, so I've got that out. I'll move that to the side, and I'm gonna use just something to brace it so I have an easier writing space. So I've been using the Simply Gilded washi, and you can see that amazing hollow. So I got this. Somebody said it was an oops, but I'm not certain how it's an oops. You know, if you can tell, let me know, because all I see is sparkle, sparkle, baby. So you know what, I'm gonna zoom you in. There we go. Whoops. And that seems to have adhered okay. And I'm just using my File Effects ruler. Perfect. Okay. So that is done, and I'll move that out of the way. And today I will be using my Uniball Signo. That is actually a 7-point tip. And I'm using this because I really can't be asked with my 0.38, which was my Muji, which is what I've been using. And the reason for that is because I'm actually in a lot of pain, and to hold, shoot. Okay, let's do something different today. To hold a pen, a tiny pen like that, it hurts my hands to, like, I can't even express how much that hurts. Especially when I'm in a lot of pain. So I will not be using that. It's okay. I'm not overly happy with that, but I don't know why I just did that. So yeah, I have a chronic illness, and when I use my emoji pins, I have to really concentrate on the tiny tip and make sure I've got it in. But I can't, I'm so freaking achy, it's not even funny. Okay, so next thing I will do is put down the glitter header and the water. Let me just find the glitter. I've got the water here. Here's the glitter. So I'll put that down first. So it's right there. But today I actually have a day off from work, and when I mean work, I mean marketing. However, I do Wednesdays, even though I have the technical day off, like technically speaking, I don't not work. I run around to errands for the family that don't get done during the weekend. It's my daughter's dance, and there's a reason. Oh shoot! There's a reason why I have this day off. Because I used to work full time. But there's multiple reasons why I have this day off, and one of them has to do with. Oh, I did it again. I don't care. I don't care. One of them has to do with my son having speech therapy, and he had it on Wednesdays and I think Thursdays or something, but he doesn't do it anymore. However, I do have tons of things that I need on Wednesday, and that has to relate to my daughter now. And some things I do have to do with him on Wednesdays. He has tons of appointments. So I do that with him on Wednesdays as well. I book all of his appointments for Wednesdays. So that makes life a little bit easier. So Wednesday's technically off, but not really. All right, so then the next thing I have, I'm gonna put some up here, and I'm gonna call it, I think I'll put two littles up today. I'll call this one Etsy. I can't place anything correct today. I don't care. I'm tired and I'm hurting. No, that's bothering me. Damn it. Okay. Oh, of course. Where's fucking, ow, for fuck's sakes. You know what? I think I'm gonna put a sticker up there to cover that mess because it's bothering me. Yeah, that's exactly what I just said. All right, so I'm gonna edit new releases. Not edit. Complete new releases. I started last night. Only for this week. This week. Only because yesterday I actually started on like 3 weeks worth of new releases, and I can't do that. It's turning too much. And then two. So that's for that, and then I'll do another one. I'll put a little things down. Whoa. Let me zoom you back in. Put that directly underneath that. Okay, and that will be Xmas inserts. I never did it, and I'm getting sick and tired of rewriting it. Descale machines like my coffee and tea. It's time. Buy pink nail polish. Oh wait, work bag. Need to make sure I have my laptop and my work. How's that word called? My work hard drive, and I think I'm actually gonna put one more down to go today to do. Do I have a to buy? I do not. Okay, so I think I'll actually put down today. So, okay, 3 little things today. That is a new thing for me. I've literally never done that before, except in like a Erin Condren life planner. So this is new. Okay, so then I need lunch for Thursday, Friday, which would be more like a salad. And then Christmas gifts. I'm already doing shopping. Pink nail polish. I want to get something new for next week. And then I'm gonna make tacos today, so we'll buy the taco kit today. I bought something yesterday, but we didn't end up eating that, doing that instead, because we were out of it. Okay, and then I'm going to put bring oh my god, how the hell? I cannot figure out how to do this today. I am very out of it. How do I? No, that's not right. How do I do the British one? I'm not with it. Oh my god. Welcome to me not being here. Welcome to the party. Oh no, I have literally never screwed that up as bad before. I'm gonna use this. And then, let's see. Oh my god, I cannot believe I did that. Bring. Okay, I'll use this. If you can hear that, there are tons of magpies on my roof. Holy crap. Wow, that's new. Okay. Ring. Okay. All right, welcome to a new day, people. I do screw up really badly. And I can't even read it now. Oh, man. I'm very disappointed in myself. That's gonna have to do. Okay, let's get on the day. I have... Oh, shoot. One more thing today. Coco collar. My dog had his neutering and he broke his cone on Monday. So we've been like doing a makeshift thing and he has to keep that on for another 10 more days. So I need to go and get more to replace that. So I'm going to put that at the very top. Oh. And then, let's see, let me zoom you back out. For a dance, I'll use this. That's a long one today. So I'll take that and I'll put that, what time was it from? Okay, I'll put that this way because actually I pick the kids up and we walk there and it takes us about 35 minutes. And that's it. And tonight too.
I'll write that again.
Okay, so I think that's about it. Oh, and there was one more video I wanted to do. So I'm going to put these down. I think I'm going to put down the black. I like the way that goes with that. So this is from my shop, and there's the YouTube trackers. And this comes in vibrant and pastel, as you can see. I'm gonna put that there. Oh my god, it fits almost perfectly. That's beautiful. So that will be
New releases.
So I've just written down new releases there. And for over here, I'm going to use this from my shop. I'll just put down black as well. Cover that up. I'll put this one here for the dance. And I think that's about it. Oh, no. I'm going to put this one down right here. Oops. Oh, and a reminder. Take time to rest because I can't do everything in one day. I want to use this little ratty right here. Okay, and so these are from the Crafty Wright Designs, and if you don't know, I am a PR for her shop. So if you want to buy anything from there, use CRD10 Angie, and that will get you 10% off orders minimum £5. So right now I'm just popping that back in. And that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.